Yes, you guys will get money back from the self credit builder. When you guys are paying that money, like I was paying $48 into self, you guys are definitely going to get that money back after the 12 months. Or if you guys choose to pay the $25 or the $35 per month, you guys are going to get that money back after 24 months. So, yes, they are definitely going to give you money. You're not just paying that money for nothing. Like you guys are going to get that money back. Now, let's go ahead and look at the self plan so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about because they are going to give you money. So here are their plans right here: $25 per month, $35 per month, $48 per month, and $150 per month. I would hate for somebody to pay $150 per month, like for what? Without getting that money back. So the amount that you're going to get back is actually listed here. So you guys are going to get back $520 if you guys pay $25 per month for 24 months. You guys are going to get $724 back if you guys pay $35 per month for 24 months. You guys are going to get $48. You guys are going to pay $48 per month for 12 months. You guys are going to get $539 back. And that's the one I like to do. It's less fees for that one also. I love to do that one. And then if you guys pay $150 per month for 12 months, you guys are going to get $1,663 back. So yes, that self credit builder will give you money. They're going to give you your money back. Yes, they're not going to just take your money, you guys. You guys are going to get the money back that you guys been paying into